Introducing pharmaceutical refrigerator CC0123 from Ilshinbiobase. CC0123 is designed for safe and stable storage of pharmaceutical products. Body is made of high-quality stainless steel, preventing from any chance of contamination. Stable management on temperature by microprocess controller and low noise and convenient user interface are other advantages. Now we will show you how to install and operate CC0123. First, connect power supply. Power cable is located at rear side. Next step is turning on the circuit switch, which is located on top rear side. Then turn on the key at control panel up front. Push voltage button to check inlet voltage. Proper voltage is within 5% variation from standard. Present sign shows current temperature. By pushing scan button, user can check factory setting of set temperature and high and low temperature alarm. When user wants to change set value, simply use arrow button to change the value and push scan button. Then changed setting is applied. After changing key position to on, no one else than key holder can change the setting. For proper maintenance, user can dust off from the filter in every 6 months. Now everything is ready and CC0123 is under your control. Just place the clip where you want and place the shelves. You could load your sample after set temperature is reached. Be comfortable with CC0123 from Ilshinbiobase.